Welcome to this video. New video from my hints of Linux administration videos. In this video, we'll talk about ulimit command or user limit command. User limit command is its Linux shell command that can set or report the resource limit of the current user. First thing we will do it is check if ulimit is installed. Using which command? We can using rpm command or yum list installed command, but let's use which command. Which ulimit. You can find this. There is no limit in bin, so that's mean it's not installed. No, ulimit command is predefined in the kernel of Ulinux. You can find by this command is here. So ulimit one of commands that not appear in the bin directory because it's predefined or included in the system or OS itself. Now, first thing we will do by clicking help. Sorry, H. Also not H. Let's type -a. You can find this. Ulimit will report to you the resources and limitation for each resource. By using -a, will check the all resources limits for the current user, and we can find the current user by command who. You can find this the current user here, and now it's by tty1, it's a root user. So this limits it's refer to root user. Again, you limit -a. You can find each limits have a shortcut that will use it in ulimit command. The first thing, core file size. The limitation, how many blocks your limit. Here 0. We have data segment size. How is limitation by kilobyte? Here unlimited. Scheduling priority. Here 0. File size with the blocks unlimited. Pending signals by number you configure it. Max locked memory in kilobytes 64. Max memory size unlimited by kilobyte. Now let's begin with each one. Let's begin with the data segment size. By typing ulimit -d, you can find this unlimited. It's same result here in -a. You can do that ulimit -a by grabbing this data segment. You can find the same result. So now we have 3 commands to get data segment size or any option in ulimit -a. First option is ulimit -a. Second option is ulimit minus with and shortcut of each one. Third limit by using grabbing with limit ulimit -a. Now let's check out the max scheduling priority of the current user by ulimit -e. You can find 0. You can find 0. Now let's change it. Now let's check again. You can find that. So each parameter you want to change it by using its option with a number of limitation. So the first thing we use ulimit, it's a get report. The second thing, it's a get, it's sorry, It's a put limit. How to get report? By using ulimit with its option. How to put limit? By using same option and the number of limits. So let's check about ulimit about minus v. Minus v, it's referred to virtual memory size. Let's check unlimited. Let's make it in kilobytes. Let's just make it 1.4. Again, you can find that. Back, back it. And how we want back it to unlimited status by typing u limit minus v for virtual memory and typing unlimited. You can find this. Back, check the report. You can find it's unlimited. So when you do ulimit with option command, you get report of a status of limitation of this option. When you type after option number, you put a limitation. But when you type unlimited after option, you make it unlimited in status. Now, you can find the resource and definition of its in configuration file limit.conf. That's you can find it in etc security and limits.conf. File is here. Now let's do the vim into this file. You can find this file. This is a configuration file that defines the limitation here. You can find here some limitation. You can create your limitation by line describes as follow: domain or your name, types, items, and the value. You can find here the domains, a username or a group name or the wildcard, or the wildcard can be used also with the group syntax. The type, we have two types, soft and hard type. Soft type for enforcing the soft limits, hard for enforcing hard limits. You can find the items, core data, app size, file system size in kilobytes, memory lock, no files in open file descriptor, and you have a more than option. Now go back from this file and let's try this. When you type ulimit minus t capital, okay, there is not defined the threads, number of threads. You can find this by t small. You can find unlimited. T small, it's a report the time each process is allowed to run for. It's timer. So you can find ulimit minus u to get a report of a user processes. This user have 23,000 processes. And you can check more. So in this video we learn three things. First thing, ulimit, it's not a command found in bin, it's inbuilt command. You can use it. You want to install and configure it from yum repository. Second thing, ulimit have more than one options to use with it. Third thing, we learned if you want to change the limits, you have two ways: by typing option and the limit, or typing unlimited to back it unlimited situation, or you can configure the security limit.conf file to add your limitation. That's it. Thank you very much.